best investment you will ever make is in yourself. I promise you.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Hey guys, what is up? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. So this is my channel GlamourGains, and I'm starting a new playlist about lashing and lashes. If you don't know, I'm a certified makeup artist and lash tech. I own my own business called Indigo Beauty Bar, and today I just wanted to go over some essentials of lashing that I purchased to grow my business. If you want to see what I purchased to help further my lash technician career, then please keep watching. Before we get into that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. As always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? So a few things that I have grabbed to help my lash career out. I wanted to go over. The first thing right here is my ring light. So this one has 3 settings on it, 1, 2, and 3, and I use this to literally take all of my lash photos. I have a newer Diva ring light that I use for filming and that I use for lashing, and then I also have this that I put on the back of my iPhone 11, and I just literally take all of my photos with my iPhone 11. This changed my lash photo game tremendously. Lighting is so important when you're getting a good photo for lashing, and photos are so important because you're literally displaying your work. I get booked literally based off of how I take my pictures and how I market myself on social media and just my like aesthetics alone. So this is a very important tip. And in the beginning I took the worst pictures ever. Like they were like eyes would be closed and like you couldn't really see the lashes and everything, and literally this was a game changer. Don't feel bad if you're like a beginner lash tech and you're still not used to taking photos yet. You will get the hang of it. Practice makes perfect. However, this is a great tool and a great resource to use to up your lash photo game. Seriously, I will link this down below in the description box. I believe I got it on Amazon for maybe like 10 bucks. I will link it down below on exactly where you can get this. I will also link down below my Diva, or sorry, not my Diva ring light, my newer ring light that I use for lashing. So I'll put both of those in the description box. Next item, I recently splurged and got it a little bit before the quarantine when I was still lashing. I got an iPad. This is the newest version, I believe, unless if they came out with a new one in 2020, but this is the 2019 version. It's a 10.5, I believe. This case I got on Amazon, this marble case I got from Amazon for like $10.99, I believe. Maybe it was 12 bucks, but it comes with a, I love white marble everything if you can't tell. It comes with a little, area to hold your stylus pen. I got the stylus pen I think for 20 bucks on Amazon as well. I will link both of those below. But my iPad I use for booking clients, for checking out my clients. I do mainly digital payments when checking them out. So I have an app called Gloss Genius that I use to book all of my clients, and then all of my client forms, my lash certification forms, my aftercare cards, I have them digitalized and they're all on here. If you want to see a video of my digital consent forms and basically how I make them and how I do them, please comment down below and I will do a detailed video on that. However, this comes in so much handy because I used to do everything on my phone. It looks more professional when you have a device like this because it makes it almost look like a POS system, a point of sales system, like a register, opposed to just handing them your phone. So it looks like you're well put together, it looks very organized, and then I have a lot of personal photos and everything else on my iPhone, and then when I'm taking pictures with lashing, my storage gets pretty full. So this is also another way to keep your storage free for just lash purposes only or business purposes only, and then just use your phone for personal, just keeping them separate. It's a really smart idea. I also have a stand that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to show you that so you can see what it looks like when I'm checking clients out. It looks very professional. One second. So here is the stand that I got to go along with the iPad, and then when it sits, it just sits just like that. I flip this up and then I check my client out, and it just looks very much well put together, and it's the little details that keeps the clients coming back, keeps them coming back for more. So I highly recommend, maybe if you don't get it right away or get all the items right away, to gradually work up to that. But it was a very good investment for my business personally that helped me, and it was a game changer. It's 2 products that I got from Lashbox LA. I love all of her stuff. I love her Instagram. I love her aesthetics. I just watch her videos on YouTube and I think she is great. So I really love the holographics. It's super cute packaging all around. Love it. But one thing I did want to say, depending on the glue that you use, and if you're in a studio or if you're in-home lashing, sometimes if you can't control your humidity, this product right here literally saved my life. The studio that I was at, the humidity was like kind of hard to control because I did have a temperature control in there, but I did need a humidifier and a dehumidifier just to balance out the temperature because it was only 100 square feet studio. I in-home lash, so a lot of the times it's hard to control the entire climate of the whole house, and I have like a small room that I lash in. So this product right here is called Glue-Aid Adhesive Cure Solution by Lashbox LA. There is a girl named Kinsey, or Lashes by Kins, and she recommended this because she's an in-house lash tech as well, and I was looking for solutions. I love the glue that I use right now. I use Sky Glue. Great retention. I've been using it for 2 years, never had a problem with it. However, with the humidity, with any glue, has to be spot on. Literally, it has to be in the right degrees, and you should have a hygrometer to test your temperature, but this will literally save your life and save your sets. I promise you, it is a good investment, and like the price of this, like you'll make it back with your sets. I promise you, because they'll just get better and better and better. Second thing, what I use from Lashbox LA, which I didn't used to do, I just used to lash bath and cleanse my clients. At first, I never used a primer, and girl, when I used a primer, my lash game literally got so much better and better and better. And it literally is because I lash bath them, I cleanse them, and then I use a primer. So this one is Long Wearing Pre-Treatment Primer by Lashbox LA. This is 30mm one. I love her gold and Tiffany's blue packaging. It's so cute. It's literally to die for. But this product literally will change the game. Like, your sets will just have better retention. They will look better. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. And if you don't have it, girl, save your coins and invest. Literally, this is key. Okay, one last thing I wanted to show you guys, and this is a DIY. I literally made these myself. I put these in all of my clients lash aftercare bags. If you want a video on how I make them or what my lash aftercare bags consist of, comment down below and I'll make a video about that as well. But these are kind of the colors of my brand of Indigo Beauty Bar 505, and basically it's like holographic here, and it is purple in there. And I ordered all of these supplies off of Amazon. The little dots are separate. I did have to have glue gun them on myself, and I did have to put the wand into this part. So the tube is separate, the wand is separate, and the little thing is separate here. Literally though, I've gotten so many compliments on this because, for one, it's sanitary when your clients put this in their purse, in their car, wherever, on their nightstand, on their bathroom sink, doesn't matter. It's sanitary. It's in a tube. So if you're putting something on your eye that has been out collecting bacteria, collecting dust, whatever. It's not sanitary anymore. So I always give my clients the lash wands that I use on them, and I put a cover over them and I put them in their bag, and then I use this as well to give to them as like a little treat or like a little gift. And literally my girls go nuts over this, and they're like, oh my god, that's so cute, or they'll repost it, or they'll put me on their stories or whatever and mention me just because of this little trinket right here. And I'm telling you, like, the price and the cost of this and the time doing it yourself is so worth it. So I highly recommend doing something like this, like a little simple idea. It's really the details that stick with people and make it worth their while to come back. Then they're gonna remember you and be like, I remember that lash tech really thought about me. She knew that I liked sanitary lash tubes, and boom, there you go. Now you just built credibility for your brand. So I highly recommend doing this. If you want a video on a DIY lash kit or lash aftercare kits and the lash wands, just comment down below, girl, and I'll make that video for you. Trust me, all we have right now is time. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed in the description bar down below. Make sure you check the links. All the links will be updated and valid for you, so you can go get your items. Disclaimer, I did not purchase all of these items at one time. It was over time that I built up my collection, but the best investment you will ever make is in yourself, I promise you. So keep investing in yourself, keep believing, keep lashing. Alright guys, I don't have anything else to say except for I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and this new content that I'm putting out about lashing. I'm very passionate about lashing, as you can tell. My business is literally my baby. So if you have any comments on videos you would like to see that are lash related, please comment down below, let me know. And then don't forget to smash the notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. And as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. And I will see you in my next video. Love you. And thank you for watching.